In this video, we are going to see about soil pollution. First, we can see what is soil pollution. With the rise of concrete buildings and roads, one part of the earth that we rarely see is the soil. It has many different names such as dirt, mud, and ground. However, it is definitely very important to us. The plant that feed us grow in soil, and keeping it healthy is essential to maintaining a beautiful planet. However, like all other forms of nature, soil also suffers from pollution. The pollution of soil is a common thing these days, and it happens due to the presence of man-made elements. Main causes of soil pollution. Soil pollution is a complex phenomenon and it can be triggered by a variety of things and activities, from the littering of cigarette butts to excess use of chemical fertilizers. Every cause is linked with another. Pinpointing at one particular cause is quite difficult. However, the leading causes are listed below. First cause is industrial activity. Industrial activity has been the biggest contributor to the problem in the last century, especially since the amount of mining and manufacturing has increased. Most industries are depend on extracting minerals from the earth. Whether it is iron ore or coal, the byproducts are contaminated and they are not disposed of in a manner that cannot be considered safe. As a result, the industrial waste lingers in the soil surface for a long time and makes it unsuitable for use. Second cause is agriculture activities. The utilization of chemicals has gone up tremendously since technology provides us with modern pesticides and fertilizers. They are full of chemicals that are not produced in nature and cannot be broken down by it. As a result, they seep into the ground after they mix with water and slowly reduce the fertility of the soil. Other chemicals damage the composition of the soil and make it easier to erode by water and air. Plants absorb many of these pesticides and when they decompose, they cause soil pollution since they become a part of the land. Water disposal. Finally, a growing cause of concern is how we dispose of our waste. While industrial waste is sure to cause contamination, there is another way in which we are adding to the pollution. Every human produces a certain amount of personal waste products by way of urine and feces. While much of it moves into the sewer system, there is also a large amount that is dumped directly to landfills in the form of diapers. Even the sewer system ends at the landfill, where the biological waste pollutes the soil and water. This is because our bodies are full of toxins and chemicals which are now seeping into the land and causing pollution of soil. Fourth cause is accidental oil spills. Oil leaks can happen during the storage and transport of chemicals. This can be seen at most of the fuel station. The chemical present in the fuel deteriorates the quality of soil and make them unsuitable for cultivation. These chemicals can enter into the groundwater through the soil and make the water undrinkable. Acid rain. Acid rain is caused when pollutants present in the air mix with the rain and fall back on the ground. The polluted water could dissolve away some of the essential nutrients found in the soil and change the structure of the soil. Now we can see this type of soil images. Soil pollution images. This is throwing plastic and papers in the soil, wastewater and industrial waste into the soil. Possible solutions to soil pollution: reduce use of chemical fertilizers, reforestation and afforestation should be promoted, recycle and reuse products, get the locals involved, promote use of natural manure. Thank you. Save nature, save world.